Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about how to apply for University of Guelph scholarships in Canada for the session 2026. This is a fully funded master's in Canada. The application process is simple through faculty only. Before we discuss about this, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. The link for this Guelph scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links will be given in the respective descriptions. And also in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. And on Instagram, you can directly message our team, ask for the link, and once you visit our website fullscholarships.net, you can apply for this particular scholarship in Canada. So this is offered by Department of Food Science at the University of Guelph in Canada, and is currently recruiting and is looking for interested and qualified postgraduate students willing to study in this university. It's hosted in Canada, and you can apply for postgraduate or master's courses open to all countries. No IELTS exam is required for this. It will be a fully funded with living stipend, and deadline is not specified, so you can apply through faculty. And it's in the Ontario Agricultural College under this university, and it's one of the top institutions recognized globally. And to be eligible for this scholarship, you should have a bachelor's degree in the relevant subject, or also be interested in this topic. Then you should have experience with Python, MATLAB, and R. So machine learning skills should be there, and good written and oral communication should be also there. So this is a fully funded duration for 2 years, and basic requirements you need to fulfill: statement of purpose, CV, and transcripts. So in order to apply for this particular opportunity, there is no portal, so you just have to first medium of contact is the professor. So you have to contact Dr. Daniel, and on his email donwde@uogulp.ca. So you write an email to this professor at this email mentioned here, and you have to send statement of interest or your CV and your unofficial transcripts. So you can just have a photograph of the transcripts, degree certificates you have, any achievements, publications, whatever you have. You should justify that in the document section and send it to this email here. And once you communicate a mail along with the documents here, so we have given the email donwde@uogulph.ca. You just write email here. So we have, if you click on this button here, it will directly take you to the email section. So you write email. Let me just show you. You just go to Gmail. Simply whatever is your email, click on compose, and you copy this. You copy this email address here to professor. Right here, your email subject. You can mention the expression of interest for the MSc, whatever is the subject. So after that, you write an email. You can use any of the well-known LLMs to write this. Write an email to prof asking him to provide acceptance and next steps for this scholarship position. And once you hit that, the LLM will write the email. You can see like this. Next steps, you can just insert this and change your details here, like professor's name. You can mention that here, and likewise you can attach your documents here. Mention your name, then attach your documents here. So one by one you attach documents, and you can also change the title here, and so that make it so attractive and well written so that the professor can't ignore it. So this is the method. So which scholarship position you have to mention that here, and mention all the details that are given in this here. Also you can browse his professor's personal page first. So let's go directly Google search it. You can see the professor's personal page will be here on the university website, his works, his profession, academic history, research area. So everything for this professor is mentioned here, so you can cross check details and prompt email according to his interest and your interest, so that both match and you have higher chances. Research works must be followed so that you have higher scope of going into higher education for doctoral research as well under the same professor. And because they are providing funding, this is one of the best opportunities you should not miss. And you can see he's an assistant professor at the university, where his office located at Food Science Building, room 126. His Scopus ID, ORC ID, Scholar, Google Scholar ID. You can see his research interests, digital twins for food systems, food processing. Likewise, any higher education degree you wish to apply for, masters by research or doctoral degrees, same way you have to analyze the professor's biodata, his academic history, his research interests, then cure your email and interest in the same manner, so that it matches his interest and he shows interest in your application and email. So you just follow the same methodology and yeah, ask him the favor in supporting this admission process for you. Next steps, he will be showing you that you might have to apply through university admission system. Until then, first step, first medium of the communication is this professor. That's the methodology, and it works. Definitely it works. You just have to show your interest. That's it for today. Simple, short video, precise video we brought to you here on the screen, so that you utilize your social media time well and wisely, and you don't miss opportunities this year. So in the comment section, write us, have you ever emailed to a professor regarding any of the interests that you have shown in his work, or you wish to be guided or supervised by him for any doctoral or master's or bachelor's degree even. So write in the comment section if have you ever tried to send an email, or just asking us to publish just scholarships and not taking steps on your side. So we both have to maintain an ecosystem where we publish, you take an action on that. If we just keep publishing and you don't take any action, it doesn't mean it doesn't go well with both of us, as our motto is to just bring you an opportunity on your screen, you utilize, you watch that, you take an action. If you need any help anywhere, just write in the comment section, or email us with your proper details. You sometimes you just write in the comment section, I need help, but we don't know how much help you need, where do you need help. So you should write in proper email or message us with your details where you are stuck, send a screenshot, so that we can also help in you in a better way. This is the best way research on any of the professors, his works, his biography, academic history, what he has been done, doing in past 3 years, past 2 years, what he has published. Follow that, pinch everywhere, and that will definitely gonna make your application successful. That's it for today. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day.